Bust down, Tatiana. Bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down. Pick it up, now break that down. Break it down. Speed it up, then slow that down on the gas. Slow it down.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Cindy. As you probably know, St. Patrick's Day is coming up. Well, I know how many of you have been just counting down the days till the day that you get to celebrate St. Patrick coming to America. I have no idea who St. Patrick is or why we celebrate his day. Nonetheless, I am here and I am going to show you, if you want to be festive, if you're gonna go out with your girlies or with your boys, what you can do to look cute and festive. This was something new, but it was really fun and I really like how it turned out, and
I think I look hot.
Anyway, let's just get right into it. Let's do this thing. Let's get lucky, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so I already did my foundation and my brows off camera because that's boring and you've probably seen me do it a million times. So I am going to just fill in my crease with a little like tan. I'm gonna go into my Norbina palette. I love this shade. It's just kind of my go-to crease color. It's the shade Incense. So I always just make sure to really blend the eyeshadow out because you don't want there to be like a very harsh start and stop line because that's not cute. So what I think I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna go just a tad
Dramatic here.
which is so unlike me. And I am going to go on the outer corners and I'm actually gonna do some black, just, you know, to match like
My soul.
Wake me up inside. Wake me up inside.
when you have a really dark color on your outer corner right here, you want to blend it all the way into the lid like that and just kind of make sure you don't blend that out too far, otherwise it's just going to look weird. So try to keep it kind of focused in this general area of the outer corner, but still blend it into the lid. I haven't used this color before, but I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay Distortion palette, and there's this shade Hot Box, which I think is so funny.
We're doing the Jewel Hot Box, man.
Get a good amount because, you know, we want our Nick levels at least over 50,000.
His Nick level's over 9,000!
Oh shoot, that is pigmented. Just get that all over your lid, I guess. And for this particular look, I don't really want a cut crease. I want it to be a little more blended, so I am just gonna kind of blend the edge a little more. I want the green to stay on my lid and not go into the crease where I have my brown transition shade, but I want it to be kind of natural and seamless and not like a sharp line. St. Patrick's Day is such a random holiday, like what even is it? I like how Americans literally just take any cultural thing and they're like,
Yo, this seems like a good time to turn up.
even though we may not necessarily have any cultural ties to this whatsoever. Actually going to just take that same color that I used. We're just gonna go under the lower lash line. I'm gonna go experiment with this little color called Shifty, if you can see that. It's that lighter green color. Good thing none of my brushes are clean. Good job, Cindy. We're gonna get a little shifty up in this, and I am just going to put that kind of, put that on the center of my lid. I'm actually just gonna drag that almost into the inner corner, so it's like going from the inner corner to the center of the lid. I don't know if you can see, but that looks super dope. And I'm gonna bring that under the eye too. Wow, I am slaying. I don't know if you can tell, but I look dope. I want it to be a little shimmerier because
You know me, I love my shimmer. What can I say?
So I'm just gonna get a little bit of highlight from my Tarte's palette, which is literally destroyed. So I'm just gonna get a tad of just some of this strobe color. I just want a little more pizzazz, you know? I just want to feel alive. I just want to be like Lucky the Leprechaun from Lucky Charms, like hot girlfriend or like hot sister, hot mother-in-law, something. I'm flexible. I don't care exactly where I fall in the family tree. Just a hot relative. Why am I like this? I don't know. So that looks fairly dope, I would say. I'm just gonna get this little pencil brush. I really want just this inner corner to sparkle because I don't have a lot of other sparkle today. So just because I can, I am going to just try to clean up a little bit just around the eyes with some concealer. That is very clean. Ain't nobody fresh as me. I am just so fresh and clean. I'm just gonna go clean up my eyebrows. Speaking of clean things and cleanliness, bada bing, bada boom. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I look really hot right now. The next time someone like rejects me or is like, oh, like, you're ugly, I'm gonna be like,
I know it would appear that way, but actually, despite all the evidence, I actually look really good. I'm actually killing the game here.
oh yes, oh yes. Yo, this could be like a money look, like, oh, I feel like Gwen Stefani. I could be in the music video for Rich Girl. Oh, I look so hot right now. I'm kind of done with the eyeshadow for now, so I'm going to go in with all the rest of my makeup and just make myself look hot. So I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Matchsticks. This is in the shade Amber, and I'm just gonna do a little contour. Next thing you know, I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques brush, boom, and I'm just gonna blend this baby out. I am going to do a little blush now. I'm gonna just take kind of a loose, fluffy brush. Just get a little bit from this little Tarte palette. Tap off a lot because blush is good, but if you overdo it, it's obviously not good. So then I'm gonna smile, put some on my cheeks, and then I'm just going to obviously blend that out. I also spray my face a million times because it's so flipping dry here, and I flipping cannot do this Utah weather, so. Then I need a really like bright kind of shocking highlight for this, so I'm going to just go in, try to just focus on just a couple really high bright spots on my face and just really concentrate the pigment there. Next, I'm gonna do my eyeliner. This is the Revlon Color Stay Skinny Liquid Eyeliner. It's liquid and it's matte, and I really love it. I always suggest doing a matte liquid eyeliner. I'm gonna let that dry for a second, and I'm gonna grab a lip liner. I'm gonna use my Kylie Lip Kit thing. It can be really drying, like if you just wore this by itself. Just gonna clean up with the Q-tip. I'm gonna put on my favorite Fenty Lip Gloss Balm Illuminator. Okay. So I'm using this Katy Perry cat eye mascara or something, and I'm just going to put that on. I'm gonna put on my lashes and finish everything off camera, and then I'll see you in a sec to show you the finished look. Okay, so this is the finished look. I look like Lucky the Leprechaun's hot sister, which was the goal, or like his stepmom that's like kind of evil. I don't know, I'm getting like evil stepmom vibes from myself. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, subscribe. All you people who keep watching me who are not subscribed,
What's your deal?
No, I mean, just like, I just think it would be good if you did subscribe. For real, like, what do you have to lose, you know? I just don't understand why you wouldn't be subscribed to me. I don't know. I feel like I'm a pretty rational person, and I just don't see any argument why to not be subscribed to me. If you made it this far, like, why would you not? But, you know, it's fine. Freedom, whatever, it's free country, blah, blah, blah. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a super great St. Patrick's Day. What if you celebrate it? If you do something, I hope it's fun. Yo, I know I have like a very small amount of subscribers. If I were to ever make merch, I have the best idea. So you know how there's like the green shirts that people wear on St. Patrick's Day and it says, "Kiss me, I'm Irish." I'm like, I want to make a shirt like that and it's green and everything, but it just says, "Kiss me, I'm Mexican." Just to throw people off, you know? And that would just be kind of funny, and I would see people read it and be like, whoa, what? Like, that doesn't make sense. What the heck? And I would just kind of chuckle to myself. But okay, bye, love you. Stay rad, stay dad, stay bad. Mwah.